Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to design this amazing website. Okay, this is an e-commerce website. Be fashionable. Okay, this is just a sample website for this tutorial. Okay, good. So I'm going to first of all show you around. First, let me refresh the page here, and after that, let's go down. You see we have product categories here. Okay, yes, we have product categories, and then we have men fashion, and you can see some of the product. And we have women fashion, and you can also see some of the product, and then the case word, and that is the call to action and the footer. So you can contact me, or you can reach out to me through an email. Okay, and this is a nice footer. Okay, this is so amazing website. And let me tell you something, if you need a website which is about online store, this is just for selling of products, simple products. Okay, if you need an online store, just follow this along and you'll be able to complete this. We are taking everything from scratch, no template. We're going to complete everything. Okay, so as you can see, it's so amazing. I really love this website. Then let me show you around. Let's go to shop page. At the shop page too, we have a filter where we can filter the product by the price. We can filter by price. You can decide to search for product with the price range between 300 to 450 and filter that. Okay, and we'll be able to see only product within that price range, or we can make it within, that is let's say 70 to 140, and click filter, and we will only see those products. This product within 70 to 140. Okay, see, we can, that's it. So that is so amazing. Okay, and we can also filter a product by category. Okay, so we have, for instance, a kids outfits. So we can only see kids, and then we have ladies. So these are the products by category. Okay, good. We can also track order after making payment. If you want to track your order, you can do that by entering your order number here and your phone number just to track the order. I know you really love this video, and if you're ready to learn how to design this amazing website, we are going to start from scratch to the end. Okay, from beginning to the end. So I would advise you to follow along, and you will become a professional website designer, and you can start making money online. Do you know that you can just design this website and charge an amount of around 4,000? Okay, so you don't know? Then I'm telling you. So follow along. Okay, so let's try and buy a product from here. Let's see. So I'll go to the shop page, and let's say I want to pay for this product. And now you see I can go to checkout. Good. So I have to fill in the details. This is the product price, and then I have to pay for the VAT. Okay, the VAT, and then if I want to pay for the freight rate for shipping, if I want to pay for freight rate for shipping, then I will pay 20 cedis. Okay, or I can make it pickup. The pickup, which means that I have to go to the nearby zone, and that is Bantima zone, or I can pick it from Accra. So if the freight rate, then there will be addition of what, 20 cedis. Okay, so 200 plus 20 cedis plus this freight rate. Okay, I will pick it myself because Bantima is not that far from me. Then I have to fill in the billing details here. After that, I can pay with Momo or any of the. Let me proceed with that. I will select this. So I've added all the details here. Now I can decide to click order now. Okay, so I've been taken to this pop-up menu where I have to pay with Momo or credit card. Any of the payment gateway is okay. Okay, so right now this is just a sample site. I'm not going to make payment. So let's say thank you for watching. Bye bye.